Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speaking Time. We're really glad you're joining us again. Today's lesson is all about a very useful everyday topic, talking about your daily routine in simple, natural English.
Yes, this is something you use with friends, coworkers, classmates, or even when practicing English online. So today, we'll guide you through easy phrases to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening.
Let's begin with a common way to start your routine. You can say, I wake up at, or I usually start my day by, for example, I wake up at 6, or I start my day by checking my phone.
Exactly. You can also explain what you do next. Simple sentences work best for beginners. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. Clear and easy.
And before we continue, if you're learning something new from this lesson, make sure to follow and subscribe to the Speaking Time. We share new episodes every day to help you speak better English with confidence.
Now, let's talk about the afternoon. You can say, in the afternoon, or after lunch, I usually, for example, in the afternoon, I study English. After lunch, I take a short break.
You can also talk about how you finish your day. Sentences like, in the evening, I relax. I watch a movie. I cook dinner. Or even, I spend time with my family.
A helpful phrase is, I like to. This shows your habits or preferences, like, I like to go for a walk. I like to read at night. I like to rest after work.
Let's put everything together. Here's a simple example you can copy. I wake up at 7. I take a shower and eat breakfast. In the afternoon, I study and finish my work. In the evening, I relax, watch a show, and get ready for bed around 10.
That's a clean, natural daily routine. Not too long, not too short. Just right for conversation.
Now it's your turn. Try describing your own daily routine using the phrases from today's lesson. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on speaking clearly and confidently.
That's right. Even a simple routine is great practice. Take your time, relax, and enjoy the process.
And remember, the more you speak, the better you get. You're improving every day, even if you don't notice it yet.
Exactly. And thanks so much for joining us today. We really enjoyed learning with you.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and we'll be here to guide you again soon.
Take care, and bye-bye for now.
Bye bye.